bum, 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 bum. Is this work? Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Turn this off. Very short stream here. Who's babysitting this long? Actually, we'll see. I do need to step out at some point, but I don't know when. In terms of current trades, we are in a big old juicer. Big old juicer we just got into. Big old juicer. Bye-bye. 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 Yeah, this thing's running right now. Haven't TP'd at all on this. Where did I get in? Yeah, wasn't around while this stuff was going on. Like, where did we end last night? That was where I was last looking at. I think we were talking about the long getting stopped here potentially. Correct. Also be mindful of a swing fail potentially occurring here. But yeah, anyways, yeah, nothing really was going on today. We didn't came down to this level, didn't grab this single print or clear any of this red box, so pretty strong bounce from here. So bullish, right? Kind of looking bullish, because you'd expect it to, for right there, you expect it to kind of just finish doing the sweep, right? And there's also like massive divergences as this was occurring, clearly. Let me just check on some of the other data as I get myself set up here. Juice. Got that juice. I also need to lower the music. Yeah, I think from yesterday it seemed quite loud. Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Yeah, trying to like kind of like debug stuff with this YouTube stuff, super annoying because I don't really know how it's supposed to work. I don't know how it's supposed to work. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm just yapping to you guys on the Discord currently. Just got a 30-minute candle close. Let's see how we turned out. Okay, closing above all the sweeps. So far, so good. Come on. So let me just kind of one thing at a time here, so I don't get too crazy distracted. Don't get too crazy distracted. So I'm trying to see if the YouTube thing is working before I kind of just get back into doing what I was doing. I don't know how to tell. Don't know how to tell. Because I don't know if it's on or not. I don't know if it's on or not. How's this thing looking? Yeah, from what I can tell, it's not good. Is this good or no? Also, remember that this crypto guy's supposed to be speaking soon. Okay, I'm just wasting time here. If this is working, so be it. If not, then so fucking be it. Doesn't seem like it is. I can't get the link for it either. Just the privacy is unlisted. What does that mean? Maybe it'll work now. Maybe it'll work now. I don't know. I don't know how to tell. This stuff is so. I don't know how this stuff works. I don't know how this YouTube stuff works. I'm wasting time. I should be paying attention to this trade. God damn. God damn. Pay attention to this juicer ass trade. How's this looking? Maybe I need to restart it now because of that. Maybe I need to restart it. Okay, no, it showed up here. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, let's dial the fuck in, because, don't know how much time we have here. Don't know how much time we have together, guys. Don't know how much time we have together. Maybe sitting long. Question is, how do I get the link for this now? Question is, how do I get this sound for this now? Okay, cool. Let me just make sure that the sound is working. Occurring here. Okay, it is cool. Cool. A baby sitting alone. Possible shorts. And talking about potential short opportunities. Okay. All good on this end over here. Okay, yeah, so in terms of the trade I just took, there was some big longs that opened up here that got closed out. Like one opened up here, then got him. One opened up here, got him. So both these clowns got stopped out in terms of open interest. And then we kind of just did like a 3 drives. That's right here, right? A little bit of 3 drives going on, just straight structural edge at this all of these VWAPs approaching our level. Bink. So like as soon as this broke structure, your boy smashed that bitch. Smash my way in. Stop loss right here, and then I've been chilling ever since. Now this thing's running. The question is, where are we gonna do our TPs? Because I touched on this last night, but yeah, this is very ugly, unswept. All this is unswept, right? All this is unswept. It's not like we did that kind of thing, right? All this is all unswept garbage. So I'm thinking we might just be blasting through this, but you never know, right? You never know. Just like here, right? You would think that we were gonna clear the box, and we did not. So everything is a probability. No guarantees in this game. Although so far, in terms of if this was going to be a swing fail right here and clearing out this garbage, we wouldn't be sitting up here building value, which is a good sign for continuation higher. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Good sign for continuation higher. How's everything else looking, by the way? Pushing out of the gap finally, pushing through this level, leaving a poor high up here so far. Oh, this is a bad boy looking. More relative strength on S&P at this moment in time. It's already broken this high, whereas this has not. Let's check out some things real quick. Check out some things real quick. We also gotta pay attention to what this crypto dude is saying. Because we are expecting to have a crypto-related conference at 2:40 by Mr. David Sachs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I wonder if I'm gonna get like copywritten if I listen to this on stream. I wonder if it's gonna copyright my ass. And for those who are not aware, I suppose this is like some advisor to Trump, or someone that works very closely with him, giving a conference on digital assets. I think he's also on the All In podcast, if I'm not mistaken, or was. Yeah. Let's see what he has to say. Let's see what he has to say. Let's see what he has to say. And let's pay attention to this trade. Let's not get too caught up on this garbage news. Let's not care, guys. The news only amplifies the moves, right? The moves are going to happen regardless. The news, it just simply amplifies them. The problem with this right now is that we have not shaved yet. That is problem number one. So we might be getting stopped out at break even here if we start to reverse. Should I have taken some profit here? That is the question. Should I have shaved here? Probably, perhaps. Because the thing on the 4 hour, like, it looks like we're flipping this level, right? So like now the fact that I'm in a long from a decent spot and we're expecting continuation higher. I don't want to get stopped out of this trade at break even, right? And if I do, I'm going to be looking to get back in quite quickly here. So perhaps it would have been a good idea to shave a little bit just so I could have a more flexible stop loss. Because right now if we drop to... we can go pretty low still. Right, where's our entry? Market smash that. So bad. My top loss is like out here. So we'll see. Maybe they bank me. A bit overextended in terms of the math, and the VWAP is there. So Hopefully not, right? Basically, it'd have to be like an 886 bounce, but bink. Dun, 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 dun. But if that happens, I probably wish to look to get back in, to be honest. To be honest. Probably with more size, too. Probably with more size. Bum, 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 bum. Let's draw this like this to be fair. Anyway, so far it looks like it's flipping our level. Our useless imaginary lines. Yeah, boy. Bink? How? 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 How is this $1 trillion asset just bouncing off my lines on the regular? I don't know. I don't know. How is everything else looking? We should be paying attention to this. And one more thing, let's plan out our TPs. Yeah. Let's be prepared for our TPs. If it goes lower, we will get stopped out. That's fine. That is fine. Potential mistake here, not shaving here. The thing is, how do these? Because I remember these were not looking particularly. Okay, interesting. Yeah, because I think I checked the liquidity above us, and we had not like the reason I did not TP is because didn't seem like we grabbed the liquidity above us in any meaningful way, right? We've barely swept even this little flat area on any of these. Oops, this is what? Yes. But anyways, potential mistake here, perhaps, if we do go on to get stopped out. If not, then we can move our stop up a little bit. Anyways, let's see if we can listen to this dude a yap. Where is this speech at? Why hasn't it started? Why hasn't it started? Close this. So let's check out the order flow real quick. Interesting. X. Okay, cool. Let's mute the music for this. Let's listen, guys.
We're coming off, frankly, 4 years of arbitrary prosecution and persecution of crypto companies where the SEC wouldn't tell founders what the rules were, but then they would prosecute them. And many founders have even told me stories of being debanked personally just because they had founded a crypto company. All of this, this approach was driving this important technology of the future offshore, and we want to keep that innovation onshore in the US. Financial assets are destined to become digital, just like every analog industry has become digital. And we want that value creation to happen in the United States rather than giving it away to other countries. This will also, I should add, be much better for consumer protection because it's easier for regulators to supervise an activity when it's onshore. And it's probably not a coincidence that the single biggest fraud in the history of crypto, which was FTX, was based in the Bahamas. By moving the innovation onshore, it'll be easier to separate out the good actors from the bad actors.
Casually throws that in there.
Encourage the good actors, the innovators, while protecting the market from the bad actors. And I think a market structured legislation with clear definitions and fair rules will do that. I want to say additionally, we're excited about working with both the House and Senate on stablecoin legislation. I know Senator Hagerty introduced a bill today. This stablecoins really have the the potential to ensure American dollar dominance internationally through
No, goddamn, is it gonna tag me? Oh,
increasing
they're gonna tag me,
US
motherfuckers.
digitally as the world's reserve currency, and
Motherfuckers.
in the process create potentially trillions of dollars of demand for U.S. treasuries, which could
Motherfucker.
lower long-term interest rates. So let me stop there.
Better hold this VWAP. You better hold it.
The chairman here
I'm gonna be
today,
pissed.
Scott,
I'm gonna be
and Chairman
pissed.
Bozeman,
Not pissed, but.
I look forward to working with them as part of the administration to help turn.
Oh, they got me. They got me. Damn.
Priority for the administration.
Damn.
We're excited that our counterparts in Congress are equally committed to ensuring American
Damn.
digital assets. I look forward to
That's okay. We got R for reroll on that one. Definitely looking back, this should have been
work with each of you in creating a gold in digital assets, and with
a TP here.
Chairman Scott. Thank you.
This wasn't convincing enough to me. I would expect it to go like a little higher, right? To the line basically. Like this is where I was really considering the first TP. But potentially greedy. Also depends on what this guy's yapping about, right? Depends what these guys are yapping about.
The American dream would one day be accessible for me. I think that we're standing here today at the precipice of greatness for so many kids who are looking forward to democratization, having access points for their families and for themselves. That makes it easier.
The question is,
Expensive to do business in this country.
do we get back in on this? Do we get back in on this?
Today, synergy within the administration.
This is a pretty strong popping.
Focusing not on ourselves, but focusing on working class Americans.
We'll see what happens here. We will see what happens here.
Increase their access. That's what the bicameral working group will help tackle. And John. And the good news is we come together already having
Bang, bang.
to work together to get things done for the American people. It's an exciting time to be an American. And as David said, the golden age has begun. And the good news is it's going to get better. I'm excited about what we will accomplish for the American people. I'm excited.
Okay, I'm just gonna listen to this later. Like honestly, I don't fucking care. Like who cares, right? Whatever they say, this shit's gonna go up or down regardless. So let's just look for this next long opportunity. Because we were stopped out on the remainder of our long from yesterday, by the way, the one that we were talking about before going to sleep, calling it a night. Or was that thing? Or was that thing? They updated this app, by the way. This did not used to do it like this. Interesting. Interesting. What were we talking about last night in terms of this? Oh yeah, okay, I remember now. We had this fib drawn, right? Because we had a TP for the long up here. And we didn't reach it, so I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna round trip the rest of this trade. I TP'd already earlier, but yeah, we put in this candle, didn't make it. So I'm like, okay, I'm not in. Let's have a backup plan, right, in case you don't finish this whole fucking move. So I drew this fib, and then I had the thing tucked here. My stop tucked here. Motherfuckers got me, bang, twice. That's twice now. Today, now, and this. Motherfuckers got me pixel perfect, apparently. They got me in the scope right now. They got me in the scope. What that really means is I'm being too fucking retail-y right now. I mean, this one, no, this is fine, right? This is just like ensuring we don't give up the rest of the trade, right? We got in from nice and low. Let's juice the whole move, most of it, and then get out with the rest. This one though, yeah, they might have just got my ass right here. I just got my ass. Let's look at this in the lower time frames. Bum ba bum ba bum ba ba bum 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 bum. How are these looking? Yeah, these are diverting as well a little bit. A little bit. Okay, let's put the music back on. Put the music back on and get in our zone. You know, let's be mindful, right? Because potentially we are doing what on the Nasdaq? Right. Potential structure change forming here. Lower high so far. 7 minutes ago in the 30-minute candle close. We got rejected here as well. Interesting. Most of this little garbage got cleaned too. Interesting. Interesting. Curious to see how this goes as we start to get towards the daily close. Let's see if this poor high gets ran through or not. Yeah, strong volume candle here. Damn. See, guys, that's why you gotta put your stop loss at break even every time, guys. Just you gotta, you know, protect your downside. If I didn't do that, it's could have easily been a trade where I lost money. Could have easily been a trade where I lost money. Although it is frustrating to know, I mean, we'll see what happens. Well, obviously, it will be hindsight analysis, but if this does end up kind of just like, I'm just thinking. I think on potentially the way I should play that is the leverage dependent. If it's like a very high leverage scalp, you should probably be more aggressive with the TPing here regardless, because you're making more on your position. Because I'm thinking about it now. Suppose we had shaved here. I'm just thinking where my stop would be, right? Because our entry was here, and the stop was originally here. So if I shaved here, yeah, like it's a math just ain't really mathing. That's the thing. Especially if this gets cleaned, math ain't mathin'. Make a note of that though, because we did round trip some money on that trade. To be honest, gotta also put that in our journal. Since that. Okay, cool. Noted that down. Motherfucker, better sweep this, bitch. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm trying to think about the math in terms of if we had done the shave, could I put my stop here and been break even? Like below the entry. I would have to shave a substantial amount. That's the thing. Hard to say. Anyways, whatever. We'll worry about this later. We'll come back and we'll revisit this later. Come back and dwell on this later. I'm just have my Twitter feed open here, see what everyone's yapping about, right? So instead of listening to myself, I either just get the TLDR spark notes from other people. I mean, obviously they're going to be talking about blah 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 stable coins, right? Like that's like the most, one of the biggest narratives. Stable coins are a huge narrative, huge future. Let me check on some stuff over here. Where is this? Check what the order flow is looking like on the S&P. Interesting. 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 Just checking out our gamma exposure levels. Okay, okay, good to know. $650. Okay, yeah, basically like the range. Okay, cool. Good to know. Bink, bink, bink. I'm just looking at where like these biggest strikes are for the gamma exposure. Get a sense how motherfuckers are hedging, you know. I'm reading off their script. Got that juice. Quote unquote, Internet 3.0, the digital asset era. This guy just said. Damn, damn, sounds pretty bullish. Damn, damn. Anyways, we'll worry about this later. Who cares what this boomer is yapping about? Let's check out some more meaningful data than that. So we know what's good right here. Because we are seeing a spot selling off currently, as open interest is increasing as well. So it's a pretty strong move down. Looks like I'm going to clean all of this. We're seeing how many aggregated shorts are opening. Not a huge amount. Bybit has a lot opening right now. And this VWAP is fucking with my eyes right now. I need to make like a different chart just for the VWAP so I can like take note of this stuff. Just leave my levels on here nice and clean, you know. Also, in regards to yesterday, by the way, the whole short getting stopped out in profit, I think it was a good choice, yeah. When did we get stopped out? It was on this wick. Ba-bing. We got a pixel perfect top short. I got stopped out right there. Bink, bink. Yeah, so far it seems like we got a good amount of that move. Shaved here, shaved here. I haven't gone lower since. So that one went pretty damn good according to plan. The long from down here, according to plan. This motherfucker just stopped us out. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. But the thing is, I don't know. I think I might just sit on my hands at this point. Because I don't want that long anyways. And now we're starting getting to the point where we are just in this, like, clusterfuck. I'm trying to re-enter along. And we're just fucking ding-donging right here in the middle. Yeah, right? Like, we're just kind of... I think I'll wait to see this get cleaned at least. If I'm going to take a long from down here. Because, like, right now, I just... If it was gonna be anything, it had to have been this one. Because now it's like... What's our edge here even looking like? Boom, 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 boom. I mean, potentially starting to do like a 3 drives again. On the 1 minute. So not particularly meaningful. Boom, boom. But yeah, well, I mean, we'll see. We will see. Maybe it just comes down right now and just does a little ba-bink, ba-bink, ba-bink. And sweeps all this garbage and goes. Potentially. Potentially. Right at the 0.75. Potentially. Is that a level of interest? It is too, I believe. Let's get rid of some of these for now. Boom. Boom, boom. This we don't need. Can you paste? Okay. Cool. Where's the other one? Okay. Do that. Do this. Come here. Turn all of these off. Cool. Okay, so now we can just toggle back and forth if we ever want to play around with the other one. Get a feel for how things are looking. You know, is there any interesting data points showing up or not? And we can leave these back on. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. What were we looking at over here? We were looking at the math. That's what we were fucking looking at. My fucking math. Yeah, I mean, if I'm being honest, this is probably what I'd be watching. If anything, it's right here. A bink, bink. Clean all this little garbage before going. The thing is, not really much. Definitely some bottom shorers opening on Bybit down here. A lot of people opening on Bybit right here. So if this bounces pretty soon, these guys are all gonna be underwater. Then they're gonna got him, got their ass. Got him, got their ass, boy. But let's see, how's this looking on the lower time frames? In terms of this. Turn this off for now. No real divergences, to be honest. You know, this might be the play if we see a strong bounce here, but realistically, we should be looking below the box, right? Should be looking below the box. Let's see how this is looking on the lower time frames. Especially because, like, who knows what, like, we're not listening to what this guy's saying, right? We're just getting some notes on X. So who knows what words come out of this guy's mouth. Might just bang and nuke the price. Or just send it flying to Valhalla. I haven't really missed anything too important from the looks of it. I mean, if you've been following the news, stuff's all kind of expected, right? This whole stablecoin narrative, crypto, this, blah blah blah. Like everyone already knows this. Everyone already knows this. People have been on podcasts talking about this stuff. I'm seeing if we can hold the VWAP or not on the lower time frame here, because this, if we are gonna get the 3 drives, it's happening right now, live and direct. Just talked about this. The bink, 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 sweep of the last level. And the question is, you know, what happens from here? So far, it's not looking like it to me. The question is, how will we approach this long? I'm definitely feeling this one a lot more, to be honest. And like we'll have like a lot more edge there, right? The only thing about this though is that we're kind of like starting to form a one of these, right? You're putting a lower high, lower low. So it'll be very interesting to see the reaction here, and then when we get back up here, if we get back up. Because you have to remember that like we did get, we've been rejected pretty hard from both liquidity zones, right? Here's a big ass wick immediately back down right as soon as we touched it. Same story here. Hammer wick up as soon as we touched it. So we're kind of starting to like grind in this range. And I don't like that. Right? Every trade you gotta put your stop loss break even immediately so we avoid that crap like we just did, right? Gotta be sitting here nerding on the low time frames. I don't like that. I mean, it looks like it's happening, yeah. This might be if I was paying attention, like this might have been an opportunity, right? Market smash this bitch right here again. Literally the same trade we just took like fucking 20 minutes ago or whatever. Bing, bing, bing. Structure change, market smash change, stop there. But yeah, with this liquidity down here, I'm gonna chill for now. You know, play a little safer. Also, might have to go here soon. How's everything else looking? And this is clearly like pattern, like, you know, yoink. Wedging up here. I mean, same story here, that they're all like coiling up. How are all these looking? Oh, how the hell? I had a paper trade open. What the hell was it? What even was that? What even was that? That's some fucking... When the hell did I open that? The 4th? Yesterday at some point, I guess? Who knows? Yeah, because I like paper trading, collecting stats and stuff. Usually, like, if I'm like not in a trade on my side screen here, like I've been testing out these vector candles I was talking about yesterday. Collect some stats on them, you know, see when they're good, when they're not. Yeah, these things definitely on the higher time frames very interesting, and even on the low time frames actually. This is like a very nice a nice volume visualizer for sure. I'm glad I stumbled across this thing. Glad we did not take that long, by the way. Patience is a key here. I mean, nothing's really changed from yesterday either, right? Like, we talked about all this shit yesterday. Right? We talked about watching these 3 levels here, here, and then here. So right now, yeah, this is probably like the long lookout zone. The thing about this though is that, and I mentioned this yesterday as well. The time that we spend here, like I want this to be like a quick ba-bing and go. I don't want this to be like a bing. You know, like that is kind of garbage. Cause then like I'm way less confident in taking this kind of this long. Cause then it's like really just becoming one of these. So this section of the move better be like a bink. You know what I'm saying? We shall see though. Pixel fucking our VWAP line. Ba-pink. Damn, how's all this stuff looking? I'm curious to see if this holds or not, right? Curious to see if this holds or not. 50 minutes left on the next 30-minute candle close. This guy still talking? Or not? Potentially some bearish news of this Bitcoin strategic Bitcoin reserve hitting the timeline. Motherfuckers freaking out. Motherfuckers are freaking out. Oh, guys, calm down, relax. So I don't like fucking, who cares, right? Who bothers with this shit? They're just gonna say whatever. Algorithms are immediately gonna fucking react before any human fucking can. And the price is just gonna continue to go from level to fucking level. Who the fuck cares? Who the fuck cares the news is? But in reality, like, there is merit to it, right? Because there are certain times where there is like sizable volatility based off of random shit that just happens in the news. So it's good to be aware of that in the sense of like, suppose that you're watching the zone to enter along, right? And price coming down as you expect. And like you were planning to have your stop like here perhaps. So you enter here, stop there. If you're getting into this area and you see some like fucking bearish ass news comes out on your feed, then like you can expect increased volatility to potentially blow out your stop loss. So like you can approach these kind of trades differently based on the news. But like once you're already in a trade, it doesn't fucking matter. And most of the time you already fucking are in a trade, right? You're either juicing up on a long from earlier or usually a short from earlier as well too. Right? Closing one as you open the other and vice versa. So at that point you're just riding the wave level to level. Level to level. From the gist of what I'm reading, seems like this guy had some very specific wording around the Bitcoin reserve and not guaranteeing it. How's order flow looking? Order flow, order flow. Also important to watch these. Oh shit. Almost set my mouse flying. What time is it? Where's my phone at? Oh yeah, hopefully this happens soon, because we might have to go here. Might have to go. Oh, I got like maybe hour left. An hour or so. So we don't get this little sweep soon. I think. I'll set an alarm just in case. So if I'm out, I can just hop on my phone. Potential long zone. So we'll put that at the bottom of this box. So if they do a little bit, only issue with this, actually, I'll put it a little higher because if this is gonna be like a fast move of a bank like that, I need to be prepared earlier, right? So I can do this shit on my phone while I'm out. Guys, I'm trading on my phone while I'm out. God damn. God damn. Fucking pushing up 2 plates at the gym while dumping like fucking 10 mil in a long. On a different fucking level. Different fucking level. The only thing we'll have to make sure of this while we're out is what the open interest looks like. I'll have to like find like a video on YouTube or something, some stream of it. Cause I don't think I can check that on my phone. My phone cannot run some of these tools, you know. Feels bad. Feels bad. Seems like we will be sweeping this, so better be soon. Better do it now. Ba-bing. 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 Let's just double check everything here in terms of all this goodness. I mean, these will be like massive divs, right? Always have to be careful with this stuff though, because you know you can always just get blown through, right? Anticipating these divergences is nice, but it's a lot nicer when you have like a hidden bull div, and then like on the larger time frame move, and then like on the local move here, you have like a regular bull div. So they both happen at the same spot. Bing! Juice! 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 Juice. Stacking divs. Let's just check on this stuff. Our footprint charts and whatnot. I want to see how many shorts are opening down here. What's liquidity looking like down there as well? 972. Okay, so on the lowest of low time frames, there's like a one big cluster to grab right here. So need to be mindful of that. 967. Need to be mindful of that. How do I size my position? Depends. I mean, like usually like something like 1 to 2% of your account kind of thing, 1 to 2% of your trading capital. But it also depends, right? Like I'm higher time frame, higher confidence trades get more size. Like I'm like dynamically adjust it based on the trade I'm taking. So for instance, in this is a long attempt we took earlier, right here, where we got stopped out later. And you can go rewind because we talked about this stuff. Look, small size, right? It's a small little trading range, right? In the middle of this like massive ding dong going on here. Not gonna put my whole account on a low time frame trade like this. But for instance, when we came down here and swept all this garbage in our red zone, yeah, I'm sizing the hell up here, right? Because I'm extremely confident we're reversing here. Extremely confident, especially with how like all the other edges appearing. This is a level of interest to begin with. So all the edge showing up right there, I'm sizing the fucking. So yeah, higher time frame, higher confidence trades get the most size, and then it just goes down from there. Like a general rule of thumb, use like 1 to 2% of your account per trade. It's like even if you're not like a profitable trader, it's pretty hard to go broke doing that. Or like you'll be alive in the game for a while, right? You're not gonna be one of those people that lose 90% of their money in 90 days. You know, I was doing the math. And I think you have to get... If you risk 1% of your account every single trade, you would have to lose... like I think like 60-something trades in a row. From the start, from the day one that you made your account. To lose 60% of your account capital. Or like 70% of your account capital. You know how hard that is? You know how hard that is to do? Like if you buy right now and you don't know literally anything about stocks or crypto or anything, you have 50% chance of being right? You think it's gonna go up or down? That's it, 50% chance. So if you're losing fucking 60 in a row of these, 60 coin flips in a row, you know how unlikely that is? You know how unlikely that is? We might get our sweep soon. Let me just check on this. Yeah, because like for this long attempt, for instance, like I'm gonna be having more size down here than I did here. For show. If I even take this, we'll see. We will see. I'm gonna have to be looking at the low time frames here and see if we start to get overheated. Market closes in 30 minutes as well. CME closes in an hour and a half. Interesting. Because CME only has to sweep this. So we can easily see CME come down, clean this in the next hour and a half. And then while CME's closed, derivatives do like a full-on bank. We shall see. The thing I'm wondering is if I want to normally I like to wait till price actually gets down to where I'm looking at, my area of interest, and then drill in the low time frame and see if I can snipe a nice entry. But this, if this is like a quick swing fail pattern of this level, I might have to have a limit here. If not, because not, I'm gonna miss it, kind of thing. I might miss it. How's all this looking? I'm worried about I think perhaps it's better to be patient on this. We'll see. We'll see how it starts going, how the data's looking. Because we have to be very careful with this one, because this can easily turn into like just a continuation lower. What's the math looking like on this bad boy? Oh, I really want to set limits in here right now. I'm itching. I'm itching to set limits in there right now. We gotta think about this. We gotta think about this. Check out the order book and whatnot. There's a buy wall pushing the price up currently. Interesting. God damn, I gotta go soon. This is the worst time to go. Right before we sweep? Really? What a tease. Fucking, they're teasing me. I'm trying to see if there's any very low time frame CVD divergences starting to build up here, or if will they be forming as we start to go lower. Because then I'll feel a bit more confident about putting some limits here if I do go. Because that's like my main dilemma. Ideally, I'd want to sit here and be just sit here and looking at this shit. But if I have to go soon, I also don't want to miss this trade. But it's always a trade-off, right? It's always a balancing act, guys. It's always a balancing act. Like, yeah, you don't want to miss a trade, but there's always another trade. There's always another trade, so you don't gotta force it. You don't got to force it. Another thing that's scaring me about this thing too is like trying to take this long right now. We're gonna be losing a lot of levels if we start to go down here. Right, this VWAP, this VWAP, this VWAP, definitely daily VWAP. Losing this volume node, like the previous day values, like our own levels, blah blah blah. Losing math levels. So like, imagine looking at this from this perspective, coming back upwards. We have to break this. Like, there's a lot of levels to reclaim if this is gonna be a continuation upwards. Let's see if anyone has any new news to drop in terms of this guy yapping. Nothing really. Nothing really. This crypto task force news already was out, so nothing new there. Evaluating a Bitcoin reserve, we already knew that. So basically a massive nothing burger. Massive nothing burger. Okay, we are seeing long start to close and short start to open. Okay. Juice. This looks like it might be some juice right here. Maybe I have some juice forming. Might have some juice forming. How's the daily looking? Shout out to the levels. Bink. Guys, these levels, how are all these assets just bing, bouncing off my lines perfectly? Ow. Like, look at this. Bink. How? Shout out to my fucking imaginary lines. Shout out to my imaginary motherfucking lines. God damn, can this hurry up? Market closes in 25 minutes. God, I don't want to have to go right now. Damn, hurt my feelings. Anyways, instead of sitting here just, doing nothing, let's plan out some of these trades, because we already know what we're doing. Let's plan out some of these trades. Long plans. Short plans. I mean, one obviously is Babink. This bad boy. That's the immediate long we're looking for, and this would be like the first short we're looking for. A bearish retest of this level, confirming the trend reversal. Oh no, that deleted it. Fuck. Is there a redo? Fuck. Cool. So one sweep below at the golden pocket. It's right there. We know that we were going to have some oscillator edge on that. Not going to have much CVD edge going on from the looks of it. It would have to show up at the tail end of the oscillator. In terms of the CVD oscillator, at least. So we will have that. We do want to see some shorters get trapped. Shorters being trapped. As longs close, ideally. And then like some like low time frame structure, right? Some LTF structure at our levels. Swing fail pattern, 3 drives. You know, inverse head and shoulders, double bottom, whatever. Swing, anything, right? Any reversal pattern. Be on the lookout on the low time frames for here. Just straight up structure change. Bum bum ba ba bum ba bum ba bum. Oh yeah, and the time thing, right? We gotta remember the time thing. Time will matter, right? Sometimes time compensates for a lack of edge. Because like, suppose that you're expecting this box to get swept and then go. Well, if it does this and it starts to hang around building value below the level, then you know, that's not particularly bullish, right? As opposed to just doing that. So time, and the only difference in those situations is time, right? Does it hang out? Does it hang out down here for a couple of minutes or a 30-minute candle, or does it hang out here for hours? I'm thinking about what the next long plan would be, because the thing is, if we lose this, start to go lower, I'll look the fuck out. Look the fuck out. Look the fuck out. Look the fuck out. Because I don't know if this is gonna hold at that point. I mean, there's a lot of levels of interest down here. Obviously, we'll be watching that. Plus, I think there's like the higher time frame, yeah, like 100-day moving averages coming in down here. So there is some confluence of building down there, and also the VWAP here at 94. That would be what? Yeah, around here. So we would be looking at this basically, right? So what's number 2, guys? What is number 2? Pop quiz. Pop motherfucking quiz. Pop quiz. Same thing, right? Same motherfucking thing. Sweep at the larger impulse. 702 to the .886. Got multiple VWAPs coming here, multiple levels of control. Yesterday's value area low is here. Just curious what the oscillators would be looking like at that point. Yeah, we have to be in really oversold there. I mean, it's possible. It's possible. It is possible. Mostly the same edge, right? And S&P confluence. No, I am not in a trade currently. I am not. Well, could be a quick recap, quick TLDR. How were we doing this? Gone a long down here, gone a short up here. This long, I TP'd some of it, and then the rest got stopped out here. The shorts, I got stopped out here. So I juiced this, TP'd here and here, which is like what? Here and like here, I believe. Here and here. So juiced most of that one pretty good, same with the long. And we took a third long, maybe like half an hour ago. Where was it? Here? This whole, I'll do it on this chart actually. This little sequence right here. So first of all, massive long open here, closed his ass. Massive long open here, closed his ass. And then most of the longs that open in this range were closed. And then we did like a 3 drives, change the structure and go. And I market smash on this structure change. So enter here, stop loss here. Juice, 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 juice. Stop loss at break even immediately. Yeah, this one we did not play particularly well though. I didn't shave here. Like, no, I'm normally quite aggressive with shaving because Mark gives me money. I'm fucking taking that shit. So everyone should be doing. But I thought we were gonna go a little higher. Like I had like a TP's plan at this yellow line. So we ended up round tripping this bitch. Motherfucking came back and got our stop. Damn. Damn. All good though, guys, because we protected our downside, managed our risk. We lost nothing. It's a fucking free roll, and I got a tiny profit from that, by the way. Are we really gonna bounce from here again? That would be crazy. Crazy. I was just looking. Okay. Okay. I'm checking to see how many people got trapped in this bounce currently. How many shorters got trapped? Got him, got their ass. Got him. Let's put this on 5 minutes. Damn, I gotta go soon, man, for real. What ATs? What ATs? Okay, not. I mean, a lot of shorts open here, like so they take the breakout trade, obviously, because a lot of shorts open right here. So that right now they're not under, but potentially about to go under. We start to go up from here. A lot of people will start to go underwater right there, so they will have a substantial amount, a nominal amount of shorts trapped. But I mean, this is just such a massive magnet. So I don't think we're gonna, you know, just bank, especially after doing it twice. You never know, but let's check the order book to see if there's any sell walls down here still. Cause if this is gonna hold, there better be a motherfucking sell wall or a big ass buy wall here. I'm talking thick. 9 figures at least. Know what I'm saying? 9 figures at least. Which currently I am not seeing. Anyways, let's go back to planning the rest of these trades. Short plans. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah or nah? Ba-bum, ba-ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. The thing about these shorts above, the short plan above would be the .75 at so like this zone right here. This would be the only like the in terms of the shorts, like I would not take it here. If we start to come back up, I wouldn't take that. Probably not. I mean, depends what the data is looking like, but I'm really waiting for these boxes to get cleared before like kind of really doing anything, right? I want to see like, do we come below and clean this, or do we start going lower? And then up here, do we clean this and start to go lower, or do we clean this and start to keep pumping? That's basically what I'm monitoring for right now. And these trades are all based around that, right? This trade is this sweep. This trade is this one. And then the bearish retest is this one if we sweep this and come down here. And then 2 is the one up here, right? So like right now we're kind of just you know, avoiding this for now, right? We have had some opportunities show up here. And we take them as they appear, but they don't appear when you're taking shit. So yeah, you guys in the Discord, screenshot this right now, because I'm about to cut, about to leave. So let's just do a quick times recap. So for starters, we have this. Trade plan 1 is this bad boy. Clean up this and go. Trade plan number 2 is looking down here. Trade plan number 3, or I guess the number 1 for the short is this babink. Maybe even market smash here, like right. You could have already market smash here technically on the change of structure. Had your stop look here or here on the lower time frames, depending on how it's looking. And just look at that out of curiosity. Yeah, up to you, right? I'm sure some people market smash. We know he did, right? Because we just checked the open interest. A lot of people market smash this structure change right there. So obviously their stop is like here. So yeah, I mean either one of those could have been valid, right? Valid-ish. Would have had a chance to get your stop loss and break even on both of those. Yeah, and then what's the last one? The short up here. The short up here. If we do something like this. And also like the probability of going for these higher levels and lower levels will obviously be impacted by like which one of these we grab or don't grab. Because suppose that we come down or start going up from here, and actually we don't actually clean this. Then I'm seeing this as like more probable. If we leave this for later, then maybe we don't do this, right? I mean, we'll have to see the data as we move up, obviously, but yeah, this will be interesting to see if we move up without taking this or with taking this. How are these doing? And I'm sure there'll also obviously be scalps along the way, correct? Right? There'll obviously be scalps along the way if you're not at these ideal entry zones. Yeah, I mean, lots of ways to play this, right? I'm sure if we sat here, we could come up with more plans, but I gotta go. Gotta go, guys. I gotta go. Be back later. I got an alarm set for my long here, and let's just keep in mind for this later in case we do come back and want to higher time frame long potential. So we got these two alarms set. Cool. Let's set some alarms in case we break the highs. We'll put one here for now, just so we're paying attention. I don't have to actually sit here looking at my chart the whole time. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm gonna cut. I gotta go do some stuff. Quick short stream, just planning some stuff out. Seeing what this David Sachs guy had to say. Planning out a couple of trades. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'll be back later to prepare for tomorrow. See what earnings are gonna be looking like, blah blah blah. How all the options are looking, how people are positioned. Yeah, I know. Hopefully we get one of these while I'm back. Because these are going to be bigger trades. These are going to be bigger kahuna. The last big trade I took was this one. This short yesterday was unlucky. Unlucky. Motherfuckers ran off on me. Because we got him up here. And then but I marker smashed my entry. And it wasn't like a full position. And then I had this fib drawn when the chart was looking like this. And we didn't come back to my... I thought we were going to sweep this garbage. And then go lower. But we didn't, right? Just got front ran at the 0.5 and later. Motherfuckers ran off on me. Too quick for me. Too quick for me. So yeah, this ended up being like not the largest short. But I will be looking to size the fuck up on these next few ones. Because we are starting to get some higher time frame opportunities again here. And with that said, yeah, I'll be back in a bit, probably. Oh, hopefully before probably before CME resumes. So in 2 hours, correct? This is gonna go offline in an hour and a bit. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So should be back before then. We'll see how CME open. We'll see how what happens while CME is closed. See if we get any kind of gap going, any kind of gap plays available, and go from there. Yeah, and that'll be 2 hours. 2 hours or so. I'll be back. Until then, stay safe, my friends. Follow people on the Discord. Juice. So some random person showed up on the YouTube thing. Shout out to you. Shout out to the random dude in the YouTube. First person to write something on the chat. Alright, cool. I'm losing my train of thought here. I'm like getting so caught up with things I need to do. Yeah, stay safe. Don't get liquidated. Don't be one of these little noobs, little bots. Guys, like, can you believe what happened here? How many people fell for this garbage and then just lost their fucking life savings in this crap? It's a joke, man. People are not prepared. Guys, we are sophisticated. We are better than that guy. We've been known this. How long did I talk about this in the Discord? Weeks ago. So guys, just trust the math. I'm telling you, the math is the math. Yeah. Okay. I'm out of here.